Probably. So, a day like today, you don't plan on getting rich. You don't plan on this being one of those days that you're going to just plunge and make a fortune. At least I'm not. Range trade, hit and run, grab a couple points, get out of Dodge. The news coming will cause the bounce no matter what. And then react. And by the end of the first hour, you should be done. Anybody who wants to stay beyond the first hour on a day like today, you're a hardcore gamer. And we are testing for support this first half hour. We obviously had the gap trade. This has become a symmetry middle area from the open. And the JV team is on the field. So again, a reminder. Long holiday weekend. There are two forces in play. One is the traders who have made nice profits for the week and for the month, want to capture them. That causes a reactionary bounce. And that being said, they will not come out until they're forced out. So usually the first hour, I give to the short side. If I give a slight edge to the short side, test to see if there's anything left in the chute, and then be done early. Almost 10. Yeah, right here is an angel. Come out the top. Demon is right here in that 36.5 area. And by and large, we've had range trading at a 5-point range. And we said probably get. I was not expecting a lot of volatility. Get a little bit of reaction to news, but not the type that we'd get huge volatility. So opening range, we are still in the opening range that we thought we might be. And the NQ has taken out its support low on the 30 chart. And obviously starting to take it out on the 60. So again, this is, in my opinion, a bear flag inside a bull flag. Got anything left, guys? Hang on to a couple of minutes. And the reason for that I'd like to see a 32 test, as I said, is knock out these traders, but T1 is at 31.75. So I don't know if we can get it or not, but hopefully we'll get a couple of more shekels in our pocket. We shall see. It's been hard to get because we've got so many conflicts right here in this zone. Nevertheless, if you played the short side, you've already had a good morning, and my advice, don't overtrade. Look for a couple of good trades, put a few bucks in your pocket, and you go home a winner. 10 o'clock. So far, the gap has been filled. We've been testing support. We have not been able to knock out the last support low from yesterday. I was hoping to knock these guys out, open up the door down here. If we can get it, great. If not, no worries. I'm the papa. Beautiful trade. Anybody that's got this, we said that we were hoping for the 32 if we could get there, 31.75. As you get close to it, scale out if you've got a couple. And you'll remember this was a pretty big marker on one of the measures. It's 33.75. That's why the line is there. Ladies and gentlemen, trailers, well done. And you can see, at the end of the day yesterday, we said this was a potential target down here. And you can see the long way home trade. We're all the way back, sweeper, take out the high by a tick, and then we come back down. We called descending triangle. I said if we could break this low, then likely we will take out this low. It's just the way it works. This is like a support low, and it kind of ignores this usually and takes this guy out. Bypasses it and comes to the next level, and guess what? The boys have created new trades, new commissions, and that's the way they like to do it. Anybody that's got into this zone, sub 34, scale out, coming into the 32s. And the rest is gravy, as they say, under 34. Well done. Don't make this about being a rocket scientist. Do it with common sense.